Hey, this is a quick update on yesterday's video where I was doing a self-driving car using blueprints only, and I was talking about having a different access to the GPU and how I created just a material to visualize. Then I was thinking that actually I can use this material that I used to visualize, and instead of reading pixels in Blueprint, I could use the material to collapse everything to 1 pixel and read that 1 pixel to drive the car. So that's how it works now. So of course the improvement here is that the car just reads all the picture information, and it all runs on the GPU instead. So it's super cheap and runs smoothly. Yeah, you can see there are still mistakes. Right now it just turned in the yellow area. And yeah, exactly, yeah. So here during sunset, when everything becomes yellow or orange, there's still a failure point. And also the car, when it doesn't find something, it doesn't backtrack. So I could implement that, but right now I didn't. So that's why there are mistakes. The car always goes forward. Yeah, here, yeah. So it's not perfect, but it's super fast, and I just literally copied everything that I was working on. So let's take a look at the shader. So here's the shader I had yesterday. So of course I made everything with if statements to go fast because performance didn't matter because it was just a visualization. But now that we want to work to use the shader for computing, we need to iterate over the image. So here we have a few parameters that are hard coded, and here we just iterate over the x and the y axis, so we only read the lower half. There's no random sampling or shaping the road or anything, we just read everything because it's super cheap. Then this is the implementation of the techniques with no if statements. So I don't actually know if seal or floor are cheaper than running an if statement, but it should be about the same for this kind of statements. So anyway, so yeah, we have the 3 types of filter that I was talking about yesterday. And then, yeah, I just did a slight difference here. Instead of weighing them, and that's probably also why it fails at sunset. I'm just checking a tolerance. So if we need at least 2 filters agreeing to proceed. And then here I was just sending some stuff to debug, but essentially we're just sending the average value of the pixel, so a value between 0 and 1 of where the most, like what's the x coordinate of the most detected pixel, so where is the road between 0 and 1. And then in the blueprint here we just create a render target with a 1 and 1 pixel, so we will only draw the like run through that once, so that's why it's cheap. And then yeah, we on every tick we just draw the material, and we read that pixel, and the coordinate doesn't matter because there's only it's a flat color, and I just hooked the color here to the rest of the blueprint. So yeah, it never fails because there's always something to read, and if there's no pixel, it will read 0 here, and then it will turn. It will make a hard left turn, I think, or so that's why sometimes. Yeah, at sunset. Yeah, okay. Here it's managed to handle the sunset, but and then I could, yeah. Here you see it turns when it's in the yellow area, it turns left, meaning it didn't find enough pixels or too many, so I don't know. Here also turn left. Okay, went out. So somewhat of an improvement. I would need to work more on that to stabilize the sunset, but it's pretty cool. And also I could try to deteriorate more the road, and but for now that's it.